Hi there, this is Meg Foster, and I'm talking with you about trends in online orientation, things that I think we're going to see not only this year, but that will continue to impact us in our orientation seasons to come. And I want to talk about the connection between our online orientation content and those processes and procedures, and the importance of tying that to enrollment management at our institutions. You know, nationally, we know that fewer students are enrolled in college than ever before. We know that the class of 2025 in high school is going to begin a dip in the number of students that we'll have to enroll traditionally aged students at our institutions. And so I think never before has it been more important that we examine the connection between all of our onboarding processes and what that can help inform our enrollment management efforts at our institutions. And so specifically, as we're looking at online orientation, I think this is an important place where we can begin to make sure that students are really a solid match for our institutions. You know, there's been a lot of research indicating that there's been an increase in the number of students who are double depositing. And of course, we know that if students are double depositing, they're not really committed to one of those institutions, right? You can't attend two schools at one time. And so we can look at the data that we're getting out of our online orientation content to say, does this student not seem as committed to our institution? Are they not moving through our onboarding processes, online orientation being a component of that? And also, how can we use these places, this online orientation platform in particular, to be a space where students can begin to have very meaningful connections with orientation leaders, student ambassadors, peer mentors, their own incoming classmates, faculty and staff. When we begin to make those connections, right, it's those relationships that often really are the thing that get a student to commit to an institution. And so I think we are going to see a continued increase in the importance of online orientation for many reasons, one of which is this important connection it has to the enrollment management processes at our institutions, and to really shoring up who we know will be a part of our entering class come the fall or come the spring semester, right? We need to make sure that we're doing everything we can to address those summer enrollment melt experiences, and making sure that we have a solid number for our fall and spring semester start. So another trend that we're seeing is the importance of connecting our online orientation to enrollment management. Thanks so much for listening.